Hi viewers, welcome to another episode of Mazi JP Live. So today we are going to be looking at sea finish. Sea finish in Nigeria and how it has affected leadership in Nigeria. So yeah, sea finish is a very popular topic. Yes, it's a very popular slogan. Where someone has seen all aspect of what you can do and what you cannot do, and a part of which will inform how they follow you or treat you. So because the Nigerian person does not view corruption as something that should be stopped, he believes that someday, somehow, God will put him in that same position to chop his own money. Because we are playing intertribal politics, if Hausa person be president, fuck up, nobody go protest because it is their brother. The Hausa that should even come out and say something will not say anything. If it is Yoruba or Igbo, Igbos will not even agree to condemn their brother. Yoruba will not agree to follow anybody that is condemning their brother because we are doing, he is my son, he is our industrial son. Industrial sons in the industry of killing Nigerians. These attitudes has made the Nigerian political class to see us finish. To be more plain, them don't see us finish. Other countries protest for little things, but Nigerian politicians do things far worse than the reasons why other countries protest. Yet we don't protest because of selfish interest. Because one person will go fit join mouth to protest is related to the politician, or is collecting money from the politician, or the politician is paying an NGO or a wing that will carry placard always in support of whatever rubbish they are doing. So they have seen us finish. They know we can't fight. They know we can't protest. They know we are divided along political, tribal, and religious lines. Because it is still finished that will make the National Assembly to apportion 5.5 billion naira for themselves to buy cars. Every year, these guys are buying cars. And I'm asking, the other cars they bought, where were they, or where have they gone to, or where have they been thrown away to? So, 5.5 billion naira to get a car, or to get cars, and nobody's complaining because, see finish. Because if I complain, somebody who is related to 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 another somebody in the National Assembly will shout me down. Because they have media rats everywhere campaigning for them, carrying placard and saying it is worthy. It is the same see finish that will make National Assembly to use 37 billion to renovate the house of whatever they are, all those their nonsense houses where they are not saying anything useful. 37 billion to renovate an unproductive house. And Nigerians will not say anything because, of course, they know somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody that is chopping from there. So it is okay. If you complain too much, they'll say you too shout, you too talk, or you be bad belly, you know what made my people chop. So they have seen us finish. That is the reason why federal government will increase fuel pump price under this coronavirus lockdown when nobody is seeing 1 naira. And nobody is complaining because of see finish. Because these guys know we are stupid. They know we are useless and divided. They don't know Nigerian can protest anything. Price of bread made somebody to burn himself in Turkey and the whole nation protested. But look at the prices of food in all the markets across Nigeria, especially since the virus started. Can you afford to eat? You that is watching me, how many meals can you afford? You've heard how many persons hunger has killed more than the coronavirus. But we cannot protest. Our governors are riding us every day. Nothing is happening because we cannot protest. So they have seen us finish that Bible say we should not condemn leaders. We should pray for leaders. Allah and Quran say we should pray for leaders. Pray for leaders. Pray for the same leaders that are being energized by your prayer to kill you more. Are you sure of heaven? Are you sure of paradise? How are you sure that this earth you are is not the heaven and you are messing it up? See finish. The Nigerian masses are the most easy go by. All the things the world condemns, Nigerians endorse it. As long as it is done by their mighty Messiah politicians. And your preachers and imams and pastors are helping you to keep you lame. To make you to believe that one day you go in there, go chop your own. So that is the reason why a lot of things will be going wrong. Nobody will complain. And these guys keep doing more and more and more. Let us even neglect every other thing they have done. 37 billion naira to renovate a complex that was built with lesser money. 5.5 billion naira to buy cars that there are already befitting ones there existing. And they're buying new cars. Each of those cars is worth 80 million. 80 million naira. And so it is 5.5 billion naira to buy those cars. For what? I'm asking you. 37 billion for what? Fuel pump price increases for what? So they are doing these things and nobody's complaining. NEPA everywhere, they are charging high bills now because of the lockdown. Federal government is not doing anything to ameliorate the suffering. They can't even, okay, let's send them money or say something to help these people. Okay, give them, like, just forget about the money. Like other countries, even Kenya moved the bill that nobody should pay rent under this lockdown. Nigeria is far, far richer than Kenya times other countries put together. Why haven't your own leaders said it? In fact, house rent has even increased. They have even put VAT on agreement fee if you are moving into a new house. That's the kind of country we're into. But you are not going to do anything because you be mumu. They have seen you finish. Please subscribe to my video for more talks. Thank you.